A quick look at Greek architecture, starting with the timeline. History spans from the Aegean period to the Hellenistic Empire. Geography and religion shaped Greek architectural character. Early structures included houses, tombs, and magnificent palaces. Temples were the primary building type, defined by their columns. Detailed mouldings provided refined contour and definition. Architects used optical corrections and established the Greek orders. The Doric order is the simplest, with sturdy, fluted columns. The Ionic order has elegant volutes and slender proportions. The Corinthian order is decorative, inspired by canthus leaves. Iconic temples include the Parthenon on the Athenian Acropolis. The Agora and Stoa were essential public spaces for social life. Theaters and stadiums showcase mastery of acoustics and engineering. Now, test your knowledge on the key architectural features. Review these answers to master the fundamentals of Greek architecture.